Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia.
Hey guys, Kelly Kumalo guys, people are dragging her again. I'm just like, just tell people who short send at your house. You've moved on when from let's stories guys Senzomeyo, but Senzomeyo's family doesn't have closure. Manga dead courts because you know who you bought, I don't even wanna go through this again. But people are dragging her. They're just like, wasn't this tempo? So why are you busy talking about iy'thembu zabantu ukuthi ungena kanjani isithenjini? What has that got to do with you? Babhizi naye-ke ku-X, Facebook-ke kuwes khona, TikTok, they've got their own little videos about her. They just like, shut your mouth. Angithi you moved on wena futhi elifini ungafuni ukusitshela ukuthi uSenzomeyo wabulawa uba. Now you want to talk crappy and rubbish about into ongazi next ngayo. Bebe usitshela ngesithembu like you know anything about leso sithembu kuqala. People were like, stop judging okokuqala ena these things are not the same, and ezinye iy'thembu actually they do work and people are happy when ungenaphi bamugiva like you've never seen. And every time mayivula umlomo wakhe bavele bathi ubani wabulala Senzomeyo all the time, like noma ngenzani noma ngathini noma bavele bathi, when are you going to tell Senzomeyo's mom who unalived Senzo kunina laba enanihlele endlini ndaba njengoba kuwena wami invite? Guys, sometimes uvele azisole athi nje ukuqala uma ngabe ushadile esithenjini, you are the same as me. How are you different from me? Cause lo baba loyo oshade naye akekho available, actually a single mother like me. Oh guys, by drag them to filth. They were like, yeah, when leave us alone. Cause as it is now, we need 37510. How can a case even number gets out to guys? How could, like, sometimes how I feel is that as South Africans, how did we allow this? Going financial into Sipum, even that High Court was not supposed to be there. Quite finally seeming a band at the High Court with Lorata or right. We're finally seeming a band at that court and be like, no, this can't be happening. The 636 Wamang Wabalui actually must be arrested. Nomgana Kuprikadia Kininda for defeating the ends of justice. Bazanzela those people. And they wanna come back again. In 2026, guys, in Jan, we must listen to this rubbish again. No, we refuse. And I just feel like Lama petition Agahambi, they've been happening, but nothing happens. Lo JP said, I think okay guys, we'll see each other in Jan if I'm still alive. I'm just like, for us, that's not even the point. The point is that I'm dull. Bamdrega social media bathi uhamba ukhuluma ney'ndaba ongazazi ongahlangene nazo engabe ihamba iyocula your career is done. Guys, people, that is why sometimes fanele uvele uyithulele. For example, bengathule ngani manje, all she does the whole day, she's even wearing pajamas, all she does the whole day is talk crap on social media. Bese bayamdonsa-ke abantu ke, and then it normally doesn't end well. It didn't end well even with this one. They were like, hey, just leave us, please. Siyeke Senzomeyo uphi pen tofanele usitshele yona. Oh guys, and someone on TikTok even said it like how I said it, ukuthi umkhaya wethu wasemlazi uzomkhipha umbeke la. Futhi abantu basemlazi, they don't even playing with her. KZN people at 10 times on the social media, they just like lalela uzombeka la. Angithi wayeke niwafika nawe lapha kini. Namhlanje you can't tell us 11 years later what happened to him. Ayike bangeke bayishintsha-ke. Abanye-ke bavele bayishintsha ku-social media bathi awukahleki uSenzomeyo angashadile noMandisa njengoba ubhizi naye. How is that different? Yo guys, yabona sometimes ucabange before you say some stuff. They were like, kahle wena, wasn't that a sithembu of some sort? Guys, but sazokuhleka. But asinandaba nako konke lokho. Uphi uSenzomeyo? What did you do to him? Guys, yabona nje yazi uKelly Khumalo fanele layekele kuma-socials. Yabona ukuthi uZandile Khumalo usathula. uZandile Khumalo Gumede. Yes-correcta phela every time. Ukuthi no washadela kaGumede. Naye futhi usesithenjini angithi by now, you know that, right? So it could happen ukuthi it was a strategy. It was just like, let me just ngihlekise ngosisi wami again on social media. Ngoba naye wagcina esivumile some really young lady owa-end up eshade nendoda yakhe uZandile Khumalo Gumede. Mhlambi chances are ngoba those people abazwani, their relationship is always thinking it's not right, la relationship yabo as sisters. And I think it also umngenela wayo why we are where we are with that relationship is because of Senzo Meyiwa as well. And I even said 2 years ago, indaba bangaxabani to a point where athi uZandile Khumalo actually mina ngizosho ukuthi ubani owadubula uSenzo kule yandlu. I'm actually exhausted. But then again, they made a pact, this family, the Khumalos, including uNtomzodo Mawabo, ukuthi never kesoze sasakhuluma until umhlaba uphele. Cabanga guys, indlela abakhohlakele ngayo le family.
Into engifuna ukuyazi, nani ufuna nesithenjini, nani yokwenzani lapho njengoba sokunje wasesithenjini ufana nami uMakaboy noNtombazane noLasbon. We single mother. When will you ever accept that? Ngoba makuthiwa i-school night or i-concert esikoleni uzohamba wedwa ngoba ulapha kwamabanibani. Iy'ngane hardly see their father because ukwamabanibani. Wena ufana nami. In fact ngingcono mina because sengi-acceptile ukuthi ngingedwa. Wena udlala uyindoda ephethwe yituturutu. Uyikhohlisa ukuthi usemshadweni. Kodwa awukho emshadweni uwedwa. Uyangizwa singithini? Uthatha u5 to 6 days before uzobona indoda yakho ngoba ihamba kwamabanibani. Nizoyizwa nini? Nizoyibona nini le nto ukuthi udoti kuninintshela anizwa. Nisaba okufana nathi ngoba kuthiwa thina siyi-lost cause angithi. Nkampana kaba lost cause khona bakibe rabishi ya monna mo sithembungu samasipha. Never.